So many people don't know that your name is actually Talon. How did Talon come about? Osprey. Yeah.
More.
Oscar.
And it is one time. Not what I am, no.
Now, if people have gotten you confused with Swoop, the Eagles mascot, because you do have some striking features that are quite similar. What is symbolic about having an osprey as Stockton's mascot?
Well, the school has been around that long. It's all the way from the 1970s when they built it first in Atlantic City, but then into this area, which is like marsh land with the high bell and all that.
So, what events does the osprey cover?
Let's go, girls! Pick it up!
So, how do you get yourself to pump up for games or events that you do?
All right, so
Have you had like bad run-ins with people around campus, or is usually everyone friendly to you? Being the osprey, how do you feel about it?
It's the coolest job I've ever had.
The coolest job ever, being Stockton's mascot.
Go Ospreys.
Go Ospreys!
Girl, go and take it low.